smallest horsepower rating for a cord and plug connected motor is 1/2 horsepower. When dealing with electrical installations, it's crucial to adhere to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, to ensure safety and compliance. The NEC provides guidelines for various aspects of electrical systems, including the connection of motors. When considering cord and plug connected motors, several factors come into play. Firstly, the horsepower rating of the motor is a key consideration. Motors are rated in horsepower, which indicates their mechanical power output. The NEC sets limits on the maximum horsepower of motors that can be connected via cord and plug. This is primarily to prevent overloading circuits and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment. Secondly, the type of cord and plug used is important. The cord must be of the appropriate gauge and insulation rating to handle the motor's current draw. The plug must also be properly rated for the voltage and amperage of the circuit. Using the wrong type of cord or plug can lead to overheating, electrical shock, or even fire. Thirdly, the circuit to which the motor is connected must be adequately sized. The circuit breaker or fuse must be rated to handle the motor's inrush current, which is the surge of current that occurs when the motor starts. Overloading a circuit can cause the breaker to trip, interrupting power to the motor and potentially damaging electrical components. Fourthly, the location where the motor is used is a factor. In certain locations, such as wet or damp environments, special precautions must be taken to prevent electrical hazards. This may involve using ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, and ensuring that the motor is properly grounded. Fifthly, the specific requirements of the local electrical code must be followed. Local codes may have additional restrictions or requirements that are not covered in the NEC. It's important to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all electrical work complies with local regulations. When installing a cord and plug connected motor, it's essential to follow these steps. Firstly, ensure that the motor is properly grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. Secondly, use a cord and plug that are rated for the voltage, amperage, and horsepower of the motor. Thirdly, connect the motor to a circuit that is adequately sized and protected by a circuit breaker or fuse. Fourthly, follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations. Fifthly, inspect the installation regularly to ensure that it remains safe and in good working order. Motors can be used in various applications, such as powering tools, appliances, and machinery. Understanding the electrical requirements for connecting motors is crucial for ensuring safety and preventing electrical hazards. When dealing with cord and plug connected motors, it's important to consider the horsepower rating, cord type, circuit size, location, and local electrical codes. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that the motor is installed safely and operates reliably. Remember that the information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work or installations.